Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can work with some of the drawing tools to use them in your PowerPoint presentation. If I come and click on the square, now down on my blank white screen I have a skinny plus sign. I'm going to click the left mouse button and just drag. And I've created a square. Now, I want you to observe something that's happened. Up here we have a new tab called Shape Format, and it allows me to format this shape. So for example, if I want to change the color, I can change the color there. I can do all kinds of things in here, filling it, all kinds of things. But I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that because I get into this a bit in my Microsoft Word training. Having said that, what I do want to illustrate is this. I'm going to click away from this square on the white sheet of paper. And when I do that, that tab is gone. Now, this is an example of contextual tabs, meaning certain things only appear or show up when you start using them. So if you get in here and you say, how do I get back to work with this? Well, all you have to do is click on this box or this square again, and now that tab is back. You click away from it, it goes away. That can be a little confusing. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on the triangle, and I'm going to draw a triangle. Okay, I'm going to click away from this, and now I see these options. I'm going to click on the arrow. There we go. Now I can move the arrow around, I can shape it, I can move it in different areas. So if I ever want to edit any of these things, just click on them again. And now we have the shape format, which allows me to do some different things with them. And again, I'm not going to focus my attention here in this tutorial on these items. What I want to show you here is the idea or the concept of grouping or arranging. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this. And what I'm going to do is up here, because now I have some different options here, I'm going to click on this drop down and I'm going to click on group. And what that did is it took the square or rectangle and it grouped it with the arrow. So now I can move these around in any way I see fit. If I put them on the top of the triangle, if I now right click on this option, I can say, wait a minute, I don't want this on top of the triangle, I want it in back of it. So I can click on send to back, and now the triangle is on top. So there are different options in here that you can work with: aligning, grouping, rotating, all kinds of things. And again, in this tutorial, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that because I'll deal with this more in some of the Word tutorials, because once you learn some of these things in Word, they're second nature here. So that is the end of this tutorial, but I just want to illustrate and show you some of these things. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.